Okay, we're going to examine some of the print settings you can put on a spreadsheet so that you can make it look and present the data the way you want. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to look at how this data will print with the current settings. So I'm going to come down here to look at the page break preview. And we'll see that 2 columns are going to print on another page. And if you look down here, there's a couple rows that'll print on another page. So technically this is going to print 4 pages, and this little bit of data will be on the outside edges. We can fix that. Let's go back to the normal view, and here you'll see the dotted lines of where the page break will be. So first what I want to do is I want to change the orientation of the page. So what I can do is go to Page Layout. I can change the orientation to Landscape. That will change the page to the columns will all fit on the page, but the data extends below the bottom of the page, so we'll go to page 2. So let's do another item with this. You can go right here, Scale to Fit, or you can go to File, Print, and then come down here to No Scaling and go to Custom Scaling. Notice you have scaling right here. You can change that to be whatever you want it to be. So we've changed that. So now what that has done is that has made all of the data to fit on this one page. So that is the way we want it to be. So we did the custom scaling, but remember, you can also do it here on Page Layout. Now, one thing I want to do is I want to add page numbers to my pages. So I'm going to click here and do the page setup. And I'm going to come here to my header footer. And this sample data has a footer in it already, and I'm going to get rid of that. So there, I got rid of the sample footer. So I'm going to set this to page 1, or you can set it to page 1 of 1. And let's look at the print preview again. So you can see here that it's page 1 of 1, and all of the data is fitting on my sheet appropriately. If we take the scaling off and put that back to 100% and click OK, I want to show you something else. See, it's page 1 of 2. We'll have another page here, but notice you don't have any columns going, or headers going across the columns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the Page Layout tab, go to Print Titles, and what I want to do is I want to repeat a row across the top of each page. So I'm going to click on the collapse button there, and then I'm going to come up here and click across row number 1, and see how it puts a $1:1 $1. That means to repeat row number 1 across all pages. So I'm going to click OK. And let's do a print preview one more time. See page 1 of 2. If I go to page 2, you'll notice that it keeps the column headings across there. So that way we can see what's going to be printing on each page. So that covers all of those topics for the moment. Thanks for viewing the video.